See how many days it takes to lock in this shot. What's up guys, Paul Race here. We are trying to shoot some lightning. So I've tried to do this video a couple times and you never get lightning when you think you're gonna get lightning. It took me 2 weeks last time. So this video I'm just gonna go out frequently and record clips every time and we'll see how many days it takes to get another lightning strike. And watch, I'll probably get it the first try, which is gonna be funny, but it took me 2 weeks last time, I swear. One was pretty rained out hard, but I'm gonna go try to catch the edge of the storm here. It just went to straight downpour, so all right, let's head over to some cornfields that I know of. That's where I got my last shot. We're gonna head over there, see what we get. All right, let's do it, guys. Hey, what's up guys? So the storm cells moved out. Looks like everything cleared out for the night, so not gonna get our chance tonight, but we're just gonna keep at it and see how many days this takes to get a lightning strike. Hopefully not too long, because the last time it took 2 weeks. Took me forever. It's crazy because there's so much you have to do. You gotta like avoid the rain and get the sides and try to get close enough without getting too close for safety and everything. We'll get it, see how many days it takes to lock in this shot. Hey, what's up guys? Day 2. Let's go try to find this lightning. We got tons of storms. I had a photo job today and then I was on the way home and it was just awesome. Lightning everywhere. So yeah, let's see, day 2. Let's see if we can get it. All right guys, we got our time lapse set up. Storm's looking awesome. We got one back here behind us, but this one's huge over here, so trying to get that one. Yeah, so we're set up, day 2. Let's see what we get. Hey, what's up guys? So we ended up getting a lightning shot, day 2, not bad. It's pretty good, but it's not that great because it was raining, so I think there's some droplets on the front. I have a crappy 4-stop filter, like no name brand, and I was shooting at f/22, all to get a long enough shutter speed to catch anything, but we'll see how it comes out. I'm gonna keep hunting, so we're gonna run to the store, get some supplies for tonight. There should be some more storms, so yeah, let's keep going and try to get something better. Hopefully I can drop my shutter speed soon, and yeah, we'll do it. Day 3, we got some crazy storms overhead. It's been lightning and pouring for a couple hours now. I'd like to go out, but it's just a little too crazy around here. It's pretty rough, so I'm just checking in. I might go out tonight. We will see. If these cells hold up and I can get to the side of a couple, then I will absolutely go out. But I did get a shot yesterday, but it was kind of not very good. Had water on the lens. I was like f/22. Sensor dust is crazy, and I don't know, it's all right. I just wanted to check in, and if we do go out today, I'll let you know. If we don't, I'll keep at it. I'm gonna keep going until we get a really good shot. Hey, what's up guys? Paul Race, we're on day 4. We did not end up going out last night. Kind of like cleared up and all the cells broke up. But right now we have a crazy storm coming in. And it is a bit too early. It's like 3 p.m. It's a little bright, but the storm's coming fast. So with my filter, I may be able to slow the shutter, but I'm not sure if I'm fast enough because this rain's already coming in hard. But yeah, we're gonna go see what we can get. Guys, we're out here. It is windy. Whew, storm's coming through. I'm sure you can see it. It's crazy. Dust is flying off the farms over here. It's nuts. So yeah, just trying to track the storm. It's crazy. So we are kind of on the edge, but ooh, it's nuts out here. So I haven't seen any lightning yet. So I will. I'm gonna go look on the radar and check all that. But Yeah, it looks promising. So yeah, I'll catch up soon and let you guys know. Hey, what's up guys? Paul Perez. I think we're on day 4, or is it 5? I don't know. It's day 4 or 5. I'll throw it up on screen or you'll already know because the video will be a lot shorter. It's been about, I don't know, 4 or 5 days since I've been out specifically for this video. We're heading out. Let's go see what we can find. I just went and did a little preliminary drive and it is nuts. Soaking rain, like crazy lightning. Some of the craziest lightning we've had this year. Looks promising. Big cell coming. Let's do it. Let's go see what we can get. What's up guys? So we're out here, we got a good cell moving here and we're out of the rain for once. So of course my 4-stop filter's just quite not strong enough. I'm at F22, but it's okay. Kind of a far scene, most of it's sky anyway, so not too concerned about the sharpness. Plus I'll be dark on the bottom. It's like kind of running down this cornfield. I got a few strikes so far, but I'm not sure if I caught it because I'm only at 1.6 seconds right now. So yeah, we're just gonna let this time lapse run. Beep. And see what we get. Fingers crossed. Hey, what's up guys? Looks like we missed it. We didn't get the shot. So there's another cell moving up, heading down from the south. So I'm gonna change spots. Shutter speed's just not quite slow enough. It's easy to miss them till you get to like 2 seconds or so. Because in my Sony, the intervalometer, the slowest you can do in between shots is 1 second. You need to get up at least like 2 to 1 to really have a good shot at catching it. Anything over 2 seconds, you start to catch them. We're gonna keep going. All right guys, let's do it. Awesome sunset. I mean, like pink, purple, orange. And I packed everything up and I was like, all right, going home. And just when I put the key in the car, boom, I saw some huge strikes off in the distance. So I stopped and set everything back up and we're trying again. We may have a shot. I mean, I got my shutter now at like 30 seconds, so we're good to go. If anything comes through, we will catch it. Well, I shouldn't say will, but there's a really good chance we will. So I'm gonna go out on a limb here and say we got a lightning shot tonight. There's been some great strikes, and with the 30-second shutter, I was able to get some good stuff. I think we got it tonight. Hey, what's up guys? So we just went out one more night. I didn't even vlog any of this. So we went out just to shoot our normal loop. I'll link to that video if you haven't seen my loop video. And we got rainbows and lightning and all kinds of stuff. So we'll see if any of the shots came out good. And if they did, I'll throw them in this video. But yeah, thanks guys. It was a good night.